In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on paid subscriptions on Substack. Whether you're a writer looking to monetize your content or you're just curious about how to set this up, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in by heading over to your Substack dashboard. This is your central hub where all your publication activities are coordinated. If you haven't been here before, you'll quickly find it's integral to managing everything on your site. Once here, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find the settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to an area where you can configure many aspects of your Substack account, but today we're focusing solely on setting up paid subscriptions. Now, over on the left-hand menu, look for the section labeled Payments. Give it a click. This is where you'll handle everything related to monetizing your Substack. To start accepting payments, you'll need to connect your Substack account to Stripe, a powerful and secure payment processing service that makes handling transactions a breeze. Look for the Connect with Stripe button. Clicking this will redirect you to Stripe's website, where you have the choice to either log in to your existing Stripe account or set up a new one in case you haven't done so already. Once you've successfully connected with Stripe, you'll be directed back to Substack. This is where you'll then move on to set your subscription pricing. Let's explore the pledges section. Here you have the opportunity to choose from a variety of subscription options for your audience. If you want to provide a monthly subscription, you'll need to set a monthly price. Do remember the minimum price is $5 per month, ensuring it's accessible for most potential subscribers. Additionally, you can offer an annual subscription. This is perfect for loyal readers who prefer a yearly commitment. Here, you'll set an annual price with a minimum of $30 per year. It's a good way to encourage long-term engagement and support for your work. Now, if you're feeling ambitious and have a community that's particularly supportive, consider offering a founding member plan. This is an optional, higher price tier designed for those who want to contribute more significantly to your endeavors. It's a great way to recognize and build a closer relationship with your most dedicated fans. Once you've made all these decisions, don't forget to click Save. This final step is crucial as it ensures all your subscription options are set up and ready for your audience. There you have it, a complete guide to setting up paid subscriptions on Substack. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and easy to follow. Good luck with your content, and I hope you see great support and engagement from your readers. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy publishing.